The young and confident Neeraj Chopra, the last contestant of the games of our country, he is the youngest, 23-year-old. For our contingent on the 7th of August, did our nation proud with his golden javelin throw. The way he dominated the field right from the word go, never seen before, made our people rejoice, as it was a statement of we too can do it. In the process, he brought curtains down on decades of despair. His feat helps in healing the fostering wound of recurrent despair. Earlier on the same day, wrestler Bajrang Punia also did the country proud with a bronze medal. Despite his knee injury, Punia fought valiantly to make it 2 medals for the country in a day, a rare occurrence. Before Neeraj Chopra set the field on fire, our men and women hockey players scripted history through their spectacular and gritty performances, restoring the waning confidence in our sport of the nation's heart, hockey. Men's team entered the semi-finals after 49 long years and fought valiantly to win a medal after 41 years. The women brave hearts, having made Olympics debut in 1980, made it to the semi-final after 41 years and only in their 3rd appearance. These stellar performances are harbingers of regeneration of interest in sports and in general, and hockey in particular, in our country. As clear markers of a hope for the future, a large number of our contingent were first-time Olympians and still performed spectacularly in Tokyo. 11 men and 8 women hockey players did so. Neeraj Chopra, Ravikumar Dahiya, Mirabai Chanu, Lavleen Vargain and Bajrang Punia have won medals in their first Olympics. Fencer Bhavani Devi showed promise, winning for the first round as our country made debut in this sport. P.V. Sindhu emerged as the first Indian woman to win 2 Olympic medals and only the second to do so, and that too in successive games. This August House is further happy to take note of the spectacular emergence of our women athletes in the international sports arena, and they are coming to the fore as medal winners. In 2016 Rio Games, both the medal winners were women. In Tokyo, 3 of the 7 medal winners were women. In the process, 5 of the 9 medal winners in the last 2 Olympics are women, a matter of celebration.